If you run a small business and are looking for alternatives to Microsoft Word, this video will explore some popular options and help you decide which tool fits your needs best. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on productivity and business tools. While Microsoft Word is a powerful word processor with advanced formatting and integration with Microsoft 365 apps, small businesses may find it expensive or want simpler cloud-based solutions. Two great alternatives are Google Docs and Zoho Writer. Google Docs offers real-time collaboration, automatic cloud saving, and access from any device, making it ideal for teams working remotely or on tight schedules. Zoho Writer also provides cloud-based editing and integrates with Zoho's suite of business tools, including CRM, email, and project management apps, which is perfect for small teams that want an all-in-one platform. Other alternatives include OnlyOffice and LibreOffice. OnlyOffice allows both online collaboration and offline editing, supporting multiple document formats and team workflows. LibreOffice is a free, offline option with strong formatting features, compatible with Word documents, and a good choice for businesses that want to avoid subscription costs. Choosing the right alternative depends on your business needs. If collaboration and cloud access are your priorities, Google Docs or Zoho Writer are excellent choices. If offline editing, compatibility, and cost savings matter more, OnlyOffice or LibreOffice could be the better fit. In conclusion, small businesses have multiple options beyond Microsoft Word, each with strengths in collaboration, cost, and workflow integration. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical tips on business productivity tools.